Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota in Sarasota, Florida. Today we're going to review this 1965 Corvette Convertible 327 300 horse. But before we get into this beautiful car, let's talk a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota and who we are. As I mentioned, we are located in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of our cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are exotic and or European, as you do see some, Bentleys, Rolls Royces, Maserati. We do have a couple C8s in inventory currently. About 65% of what we sell, we do ship out of the state, so we can handle your shipping needs anywhere in the U.S. and or anywhere in the world. If you have shipping needs, please give us a call at 941-355-1955, and we can get you a shipping quote for these vehicles anywhere in the country. If you have finance needs, please give us a call as well, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, and we can get you financing on any of our vehicles that we have in inventory. Back to this beautiful 1965. You can see it is in the Ermine White, has knockoff wheels with the Gold Line tires, four-wheel disc brakes that come on the 65 or an option on the 65. Power steering, matching 327 300 horse. You can see it's got the correct hosing and hose clamps, ignition shielding. Just a very well done restoration. Paint is in excellent condition. As I go through the vehicle, if I am going too fast or there's a certain angle you want to see more of, please visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, where we have over 70 pictures of the vehicle. The stainless steel on the vehicle and the chrome are in excellent condition, as well as the paint. You can kind of see the video is hard to see. The pictures look much nicer. Interior does have white leather seats with the bright blue. That is how it did come in 65. Came with vinyl white seats in 65 with a blue interior, but they have been converted over to leather. Does have a white soft top along with a white hard top that you will see on the website. We'll go ahead and start the vehicle up, do a cold start. As you can see, it is cold. Connect the battery. As we do, unplug the batteries as they're inside, so there are no issues. It does have a power antenna. The antenna does work. Odometer shows just over 36,000 miles. I believe it is exempt. As you can see, it starts right up. It does have a AM FM radio. Sorry for the car cover here. It is a 4-speed. Again, a very clean car, well restored. Again, if you have any questions, please call us on our office line, 941-355-1955. If you'd like to visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, to see additional pictures. Dual exhaust and classic 60 roar, rumble, take you up and hear the engine. you would expect, no knocks or anything. Just absolutely beautiful restoration, as I mentioned. Car runs and looks fantastic. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Go ahead and rev it up a little bit here. There's that fantastic 60s sound, look, and feel. No smoke or water coming out of the pipe. Absolutely, this car won't last long, so don't wait. Please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Appreciate you tuning in today, and thank you for following us.